you're welcome to my channel once again. So guys, today's video will be all about hashtag makeup question time. So grab some tea, coffee or snacks because this video might get a little longer, and without getting any further, let's start the video. So guys, there are some 20 questions and I will be answering it one upon one. So let's start with the first question. So the first question is, do you remember your first makeup item? Okay, so basically when I was a teenager, I had been introduced to these beauty and makeup items. So maybe it must be a lipstick or a kajal, I guess. Yeah. Moving to the second question. The second question is, describe your perfect mascara and have you found one that fits your specifications? Well, for me, perfect mascara is all about which gives the volume and which lengthens our eyelashes. And I haven't tried many high-end brands, but I will be trying soon. But the affordable ranges I have tried, which is Maybelline, Lakme, Faces Canada. I've tried all these, and it is under 300, 400, and under 700, and the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, the Maybelline Sensational Waterproof Mascara and the Lakme Iconic are my favorites because it just curves my eyelashes perfectly and it is in the affordable range. So yeah, for me. So moving to the third question, what kind of coverage do you prefer from foundation? I'm not a foundation person. Like I don't apply foundation on a regular day basis, and I usually give my skin to breathe from primer, foundation, concealer, all that, and I usually apply foundation on a special occasion or if I will go for hangout to some places, yeah, like that. And I prefer some medium coverage of foundation, and yeah, I prefer my. So guys, the fourth question is, which is your favorite high brand? My favorite high brand is nothing because I haven't used any high brands till now, but I will be using soon. So moving to the sixth question is, do you wear false eyelashes? Like yeah, I often use false eyelashes for a special occasion or if I do a makeup look, and it just looks your simple eye makeup very dramatic, and it looks like you have put so much efforts in your makeup, whole face makeup. So yeah. Seventh question is there any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without? Of course यार, it's a lipstick because मैं पास में ही मार्केट भी जाती हूँ तो लिपस्टिक लगा के जाती हूँ. Usually I don't apply regular day basis में, मैं पूरा face makeup नहीं करती हूँ, but lipstick is a must. Next, moving towards the next question. The next question is, how often do you shop for makeup? Do you like to pick up an item here and there or get lots of goodies at once? I don't have any specific time to buy. I just buy the products whenever I need them or whenever I actually crave for the products. So yeah, and I usually buy it either on the sale or whenever I need. Like sale is a must, as you guys know. So yeah. So the next question is, do you have a beauty budget or you spend freely? No, I don't have any budget or nor I don't spend freely, but and not even my family member stops me from buying the products. I have my own limits and I know the limits to buy, and I usually buy in my affordable ranges. So yeah. Question is, do you utilize coupons, rewards, cards and sales when you shop for cosmetics? Like of course, yes, who doesn't want to get the products in discount ranges? So yeah, of course I do use the coupons, reward points, and I shop when it's sale. So yeah, but I'm a big dumb. I usually use the coupon like कल एक्सपायर होने को होता है तो मुझे आज याद आता है that yeah I have the coupons to, and then I go and fill my cart and then I buy the product. So yeah, like that I buy the things. Next question is what type of products do you buy the most of? Like I want to buy everything totally. I want to buy the shop, but unfortunately I can't, so I end up buying the most favorite my favorite lipsticks and highlighters. So yeah. So moving to the next question is do you have a favorite place to shop for makeup? Well, I don't prefer buying it online or offline or the sites which you can get cheated, and I usually buy from reputed stores or reputed sites where you can get guaranteed and assured products. So yeah, I buy from that. So moving to the next question is if you could only buy from one brand, which brand would you choose? It's a difficult question. Like literally it's a difficult question because I love Maybelline, I love Sugar, I love L'Oreal, I love K Beauty, I haven't used MAC, but I just literally want to buy everything from every brand. So yeah, I don't have any specific favorite brand. So the next question is which celebrity always has a great makeup? Well, I'm just obsessed with Kylie Jenner. Like, literally, I'm just obsessed with her. I also adore Huda Beauty, but I am just obsessed with Kylie Jenner. And if I will talk about the Indian celebrity or Bollywood, then I am just obsessed with Kareena Kapoor's each and every looks. Like, I just love the looks she create, and she has so subtle makeup, and I just love the way she contours, and the blush is just amazing. So yeah. Okay guys, so the next question is are you clumsy in putting on makeup? Oh god, never. Not at all. Like, do you ever consider taking makeup classes? Of course, I will. If I get a chance, then of course I will be taking classes because the professionals are so good, and there will be some reasons they are throwing the classes off. Like I just follow Parul Garg makeup classes. She is just an inspiration to every makeup artist, and yeah, I just love the classes she gives. So yeah, if I will get a chance, then I will surely take the class. Question is do you like multifunctional products? Yeah, of course I do like the multifunctional products. Like whenever I am in hurry, I use my lipstick as my blush and my shadows also. So last question but not the least, what do you love about makeup? So guys, makeup is a fun to me, and it is actually an art. Like how you can change your normal face to such a presentable face by applying some products, and you can also highlight your favorite features, and of course you can hide your least favorites, and we can also change our look by using different lipsticks every day. And some people always get inferiority upon themselves that I don't look good, I look ugly, blah blah blah. This makeup can also change them, and they can also grab a good look. So yeah, makeup has that power to change and look beautiful to each and everyone, and so that no one can get shame on themselves. And guys, some people will always try to pull you down. Like they will say कितना फिल्टर लगाई हो, कितना मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स तुम वेस्ट कर रही हो अपने फेस में, तुम कुछ भी लगा लो, कहीं पे भी तुम सुंदर नहीं दिखने वाली हो. Like such guys, never feel so inferior to all those questions. Just ignore all of them, and you can step out from your home with full of confidence and with full of power, that you have the power to make yourself beautiful. So guys, stay bold, stay happy, and stay beautiful. So guys, that is it for my video, and if you like my video, then press that like button, do subscribe to my channel, and press that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. So till then, bye, stay happy, stay strong, and stay at home.